This video we are going to talk about methods to call in React when component is created or inserted into document object model. When component is created or inserted, you could use these four methods. First one is constructor, second one is static get derived state from props, third one is render, which you have already familiar with, and fourth one is component did mount, which you have already familiar with also, because in previous video we have used state use effect, and that is much similar to component did mount. Use effect is like same as component did mount in the functional component. Okay, now we will understand each of these one by one. First one is constructor. Constructor is automatically called whenever new component is created. You don't need to call constructor. Constructor is used in state binding initialization, and it is also used in event handling binding. Means by the use of constructor you could also bind some event handlers also. And don't forget to include super in constructor, because that will create an error. Constructor to be called from the subclass of constructor, and super will help in that. Now just understand it with an example. I am creating a new file here, naming is test.js. Type here RCE. I don't need export here. For creating constructor, just type here R constant. Just create here some variable, like I am creating here what the name of book is, what the fault in our star. Okay, just type here console.log. This is constructor. Okay, so here we have defined the state in the constructor, and in previous video we have already seen that how to just render this state element here. So we are not going to discuss about it. Now we are going to discuss about the second component, that is second method, that is static get derived state from props. Get derived state from props enables a component to update its internal state as a result of changes in props. We will see about it example in the other next videos, but here I am just creating the get derived state from props so that you could understand the sequence of it. So static get derived state from props, it will take two parameter, props and state. Just type here console.log. This is get derived state function or method. Okay, third one is render, and I think you all know about render. In previous videos we have used render to read or data and to just show the data to the user. For the UI interface we have also used the render element. Okay, so I don't think I have to explain you much about this render function. Just I am using here what console.log. This is render function. The last one is component did mount. So what is component did mount? How could we use that function? You could declare this function here also, or after this render function here also, but this function will execute only after the render function will execute, and also this will execute only once after render. Means component did mount, whatever operation you have written in component did mount will execute only once after render. Normally we just add the link to any API, or we just add anything that we want to push from anywhere or to pull anywhere here in this component did mount method. So suppose you have an application, you have web application of corona tracker, like here in this case on this website here, whatever data is coming here, that is coming from some API. Maybe this website has its own API, or maybe it is taking from another API. So whatever things related to API you could include that in this component did mount function. You will understand about component did mount function deeply in the next videos. In previous video I have also used use effect React hook for the purpose of just connecting our database console Firebase database to the React application. So the use effect hooks is just similar to this component did mount. We use effect in the functional component, but we use component did mount in the class component. So just type here console.log. This is component did mount. Just come here in app.js here, import here test, and just include test here. Okay, just open here this and open here inspect. Here one error is coming that the test is unrecognized in this browser. If you are meant to render a React component, start its name with an uppercase letter. So we have to include this test in the uppercase letter. So I am including this in test like this. Just rename it to test.js, and also here just rename it to test. Just rename it to test with capital T. I just show you this error because you could understand that you could not render this in lowercase letter. Just come here once again, and here you could see here this is a constructor, this is a get derived method, this is render function, and this is component did mount. Here one more error is coming that we have to return the null in get derived state from props. Hope I forget it to do this. So come here and return the null here. Okay, return null, and then come here is no error. Here what I am trying to show here that first constructor is executing, second get derived state method is executing, third render is executing, and in fourth component did mount is executing. Means component did mount will execute at last in all the case. Means when you will execute or when you will render any other component in this render function, then also after executing that component, the component did mount of this component will execute. Suppose here just make another file naming test1.js, copy this whole from test.js and paste it here in test1.js. Just make it test1 and make it test1. Okay, to render this test1.js in here test.js we have to import here. So to import just type here test1 and here test1. Okay, and to render this component here just here test1 and just save it. Just see here, you could see here this is a constructor, this is get derived state method, this is render function, and from here this is rendering the second react1.js. okay, and here at the end this is rendering this component did mount function of react.js. Means first it is executing all the function, after this it is executing all the function, all the method of this test1.js, and at last it is executing this component did mount method, because component did mount method is made to be executed for the last. Hopes you understand this video. Thank you.